So now we'd like to look at another visual in this unit. And this visual is a basic, what we refer to as a carpetbagger cartoon. This shows you prominently featured in the center what is supposed to be a carpet bag, and down here what is supposed to represent the South. And as you can see here, this uniform would represent the Union or the North, and it looks like this person has weapons in his hand. It looks like the South is bearing the burden of what is this carpet bag, and the person who is sort of being carried on top of this person's back is a reference to those people from the North who came down and took advantage of the situation at the end of the Civil War, where the South was pretty much destroyed and attempting to rebuild itself or to reconstruct. So now if we look at the possible choices in answer to this cartoon, it says, what is the main idea? A real basic question. And it has as the answer that they're looking for that Southern society was oppressed by radical Republican policies. And you're supposed to get that oppression out of the burden that the woman is carrying on her back. And then the second question, because very often your visuals are followed with two questions, it says, which congressional action led to the Southern viewpoint expressed in this cartoon? And as I said earlier, I was pointing up here to the soldier because the soldier has got the uniform of the Union Army on, and it looks like the South has to do what he says or else. So the answer that they're looking for down here is when the South was divided into 5 military zones, and there was a mandatory occupation of the former Confederate states until they swore an oath of allegiance to the Constitution and ratified the 14th Amendment. So, you can get some of your answers from the cartoon, but it really helps to know some background information as well.